As we are stepping into the internet age, more and more people choose to shop online instead of go to a real shop. This will clearly bring a delivery demand. The traditional way is ground delivery, which means products are sorted in the warehouse and sent through ground vehicle by delivery man door by door. Well, now, Amazon Prime starts a new project to deliver packages by drone. We would like to discuss if this project is sustainable and its feasibility in Leuven. First, let's learn something more about this new project called Amazon Prime Air.
About technology, we would like to discuss if drone delivery is able to decrease energy cost and carbon emission by a series of calculations. According to the annual sustainability report of the UPS company, each ground delivery consumes about 4 kWh per package, while the energy cost of drone delivery is 0.2 kWh, which is more energy saving. Now, we will consider the carbon emission. We first assume that we need 30 minutes for delivery, and that means a distance of 30 kilometers, concerned about the speed of drone. And according to the data we have found on the internet, 30 minutes flight will use 9.86 times 10 to the power 5 joule, which is equal to 0.274 kilowatt hours. It will generate 0.997 kg carbon dioxide. So, if we times this value to energy use of 0.274 kilowatt hours, we can see that one drone flying 30 minutes will produce 0.27 kg carbon dioxide. As ground delivery, it will generate 0.15 kg. For the same distance of 30 kilometers, it will emit 4.5 kg carbon dioxide. So, by using UAV, we will decrease the carbon emission. Finally, we draw a conclusion that the UAV is a sustainability technology.
As a sub-project of Amazon Prime, the decision of Jeff Bezos to start Amazon Prime Air is based on the Amazon's economy development patterns, which is different from our traditional concepts. After the dot-com boom, stakeholders decided not to care about if the company is making money now. It will make money someday, but for now, just grow until it hits the sky. They choose to take the money and reinvest to the service market or the new technology, like drone.
Bezos and his staff think about Amazon's growth as what they call the flywheel effect. It works like this. If a customer's pleased with their Amazon purchase, they buy more and tell their friends. So Amazon gets more traffic. That means it can offer more products at lower prices, which in turn attracts more customers. The flywheel builds momentum and becomes unstoppable.
While this kind of development makes Amazon to be doomed to make no profit.
Well, we are a famously unprofitable company.
Since its founding, Amazon's sales have grown spectacularly. But its profits have been minimal. Bezos says that's deliberate because he's still investing in new warehouses and new businesses.
Shareholders will be pleased by the growing market value of the company, and the stakeholders will also be happy to see their company growing steadily. Compared with holding the capital in hand, transferring the capital into a new technology with unlimited potential is more reliable for Amazon, especially during an unsettled marketing status. So it is a sustainable economic growing method. Shareholders of the company are not the only beneficiaries. If we select drones as our primary way of delivery, annually $125.3 billion will be saved by reducing the cost of road and bridge construction. Most of the costs are spent to repair damages from heavy vehicle usage. In the United States, every year about $840 billion is costed by traffic accident. $4.2 billion is costed by vehicle maintenance, and $182 billion is costed by traffic congestions. 33% of them are caused by trucks. Government and taxpayers share bonus of this project, and with the number of drone growth, our next generation will get more profit. But meanwhile, some other problems like congestions in sky will occur. Using drones will increase its demand, which needs an emerging industry to support and a lot of drone operators as well. This can provide quite a lot of jobs to the society. However, the changing of delivery method can also lead to unemployment. The delivery men in old ways require little professional skills. It's a very flexible job for low-paid group. Using drones will raise up the skill level and result in unemployment for large number of people. New salary gap will be generated due to high technical content jobs. How to weigh the balance of the advantage and disadvantage that drone technology brings to the employment market is still a problem. We cannot get to a conclusion on this topic. Now, applying drone to delivery products threatens the traditional logistic delivery. It's a kind of creative destruction. Resources will transfer from big traditional logistic company to the new ones, which can bring in more competition to the market. A challenge of existing big company can break the monopoly and accelerate the competition. In this case, the whole property will be distributed wildly throughout more companies.
Applying drone can accelerate the speed of delivering goods. Nowadays, because of the limitation of transport, people may buy a lot of goods that they would seldom use. Instant delivering can lead to revolutionary change to the way people consume goods. It is more convenient for people to exchange and transfer products. In the future, the relationship between the individual and the items may become the right of use rather than just ownership. This change will stop huge waste of resource and achieve a kind of shared economy. That new concept or idea can be a kind of heritage for the future generation. Also, take the hour calculation into account. Lower energy cost and carbon emission can reduce the environmental pollution and save the natural capital.
It seems that the experiment of Amazon Prime Air is successful and also sustainable within the United States. If we see back around in Leuven, is it still a feasible project? Well, reinvesting money to the new technology is a sustainable economic growth mode for Leuven. Also, the road network structure in Leuven is complex, and instead of living around downtown, People prefer to live in a suburb, which means it can be more convenient to use the drone. So, as a conclusion, we hold an opinion that it is worthy to have a try.